Hey guys, I feel very excited to introduce these color wigs to you. They're the full lace wigs. All of them are 26 inch. I feel very excited. Why? Because every day a lot of customers they ask us to produce the color wigs, the lace wigs, full lace wigs for them. And because of the special color, it really takes time to make because they're full lace wig and workers need to tie the hair on the lace strand by strands. Um, Also, these colors are very hot. Now, some very big some very big brand and very big hair influencer, they are selling this type of wigs on Instagram and YouTube. And some of the customers, some people, they will screenshot their photos and send to us and ask us to make the wigs for them because they are really selling very fast, and I'm very sure these wigs will go very fast. I'm showing you the color, comparing the coloring. Let me show you this color. This coloring is 22, color 22, but these wigs, the color is little bit dark. This wigs is the color 20. Color 20, this one color 20. This you can compare. So when you buy the wigs, you will have the idea what color you are buying. It's darker than the color 22. This one. It's very good quality, and based on this color, you can dye to different colors. Let me show you this. This density is very good. This density, this one, this. The hair are still cuticle line. It's still full cuticle on this hair, and you can still bleach the hair. You can still bleach the hair to a lighter brown. You can still bleach the hair to lighter brown. This hair quality is super top quality, and a lot of celebrities, stylists, some famous stylists, celebrities, TV speakers, singers, they will buy our wigs like this quality, 100% cuticle line. This one. This. It really lasts very long time, more than 2 years. This type of wigs, this type of quality, more than 2 years, no problem. This. I'm going to show you on top. You can see here. It's very natural. This one. The density, very good. This one. Remember, this color is color 20. This one. And the next one is our warm gray color. This is our warm gray color. This one. It's very smooth, very silky. This one. Comparing the coloring. This is, you see, this is the gray color. This one, the coloring, but it's not like this one. Also, we have like another one, a darker one. This one. Okay, I'm going to show you this one. 65, but they're still different. You see here. I think this one is top. It's much better. This one is a warm gray color. So when you want to buy the wigs, you just tell us warm gray color, full lace wig. This one. It's different. You see. And still you can bleach the wigs. You can still bleach this warm gray color to light brown. You can, based on this warm gray color, you can bleach to this color 20, and then you can, based on this color 20, you can bleach to lighter brown like 22 or 613. This one is super top selling every day. Some customer will complain with me. You know why? Some customer will complain with me. They say, "Hey Hyman, why are your stocks running so fast?" I don't know how to explain to them, because every day people are buying. People keep buying every day. So what I can tell them is the wigs will not wait for you, because people love this quality. They sell very fast. Their clients buy wigs from them, and they come to us to buy the wigs. It goes really fast. So what we're trying to do is we try our best to stock more and more wigs, but it just goes very fast. This one, I'll show you this, like this. The density of the wigs, see. This one, I really love these wigs. Like this. And sometimes some new clients will ask us to share the hair review for them, because I tell them that we cannot release our clients' information, because our customer will not like us to share their information to other people. We need to keep it private to protect our clients. So if they want to see the hair review, normally we just screenshot, but we will cover our clients' information. We will cover their face, we cover the information just to show you the trading history. Because sometimes some famous person buying hair from us, so they don't like people to know where they buy the hair. This one, the warm gray color, remember this one, the warm gray color. This, I love it. And the next one is very popular, the balayage color 6 and 20. Color 6 and 20 balayage. You see, our workers just color the hair averagely. It's not like that pure color 6 or pure color 27, and sometimes it's like randomly, like this. It just looks very natural. This one, this one because some people, they send the screenshot, the photos from some very big brand company, some big hair influencer, screenshot their photos to send to us, and we make these wigs for them, and the quality is super top quality material. Plus our selling price are much better, are much lower than the big brand company selling in your country. So they prefer buying hair from us because of the top quality and the better price compared to the sellers in your local market. This. And always remember, this color you still can bleach to the light brown color. One moment. And I'm sure you noticed that I will show you this top, this one. It's a darker brown, this darker brown. This is a color 6, you see? This one. I'm going to take one off. I'm going to take one off and show you the lace. It's full lace. All hand tied, full lace. This. And the light lace. The lace is light color. The light lace. This. Light lace. See? This stand is still very, very, very full. See, this one. Let's show you. These wigs can last more than 2 years, no problem. That's why people keep coming back to us to buy the hair. You see some color 27 and some color 6. This. Actually, we have more and more color wigs coming. Our workers are still making them. So I think next week or maybe after 2 weeks, we will make more videos about the color wigs. Also, you can check this one. This. And always remember, a lot of people are saying on our channel that they cannot find our WhatsApp number. Remember, you need to add 0086 0086 159 158 97097. We are going to show you a video how to add our WhatsApp number so you can find us. But you can order this wigs on our website. It's faster because sometimes every day a lot of customers sending us messages, and your messages may be covered by other people's messages. So sometimes we miss the messages, but we have a website. It's much faster, and the shipping time is the same. The shipping time is the same, so it's much better you order on our website. Plus, we already set a system for people to order on the website that is automatically discounted. Automatically discounted, that means if you order the hair, the same order, the simple same hair order on WhatsApp or by emails, but it's cheaper. I mean the total payment is cheaper to order on our website. That's why we are guiding people to order the hair on our website to save their time and to save their money. It's much better for both of us. So in the next video, we're going to show you more wigs. I'm very excited because these wigs are going to be very big in the markets. A lot of people are coming to buy these wigs. See you the next time.